to my channel. So I'm undergoing a lot of transition. We're trying a whole lot of new things, and at the moment I'm kind of in between all my setup. So, but I didn't want to like completely quit recording, although I did take a small hiatus in there. But today's video, I've got a new box, and it needs more. So this is my Witch Moon Roots box, which I've already done the Witch Moon box. This is a $33, I think I pay a month. And it's a nice little box that I got. So it looks like this. And since I'm in between setups, so it's going to be a little rough today, but we will make it work. So today's box is, let's see, the Stem of Health, and we all need that. So without further ado, we're going to pop right into that box and see what's in it. Since I'm doing my dual cameras still, they're a little rough because I haven't got my other cam set up yet, so I can use my dual monitors. So I'm still doing it on my laptop, but it's sitting way over there with the box, and I'm going to be sitting here. So I might go back and forth a little bit because the box is sitting over here. So if I look off that direction, that's what I'm trying to do, is see the box. But let's dive in. Now, the Witch Roots box is really cool. You do get like an incense, an herb, like a stone, a talisman, an oil of some kind in it, and artwork. So I'm going to go ahead and open it so that you can see it. And this is straight out the mailbox, so I haven't even got to dive into it. So every box comes with, all of their boxes come with one of these pamphlets, and it's always done with twine, which I find it really cool, because twine, you can untie this and use this later for all your witch needs. So that's really cool. And then in this, it will tell me the Stem of Health and what all my items are. So that's really nice. Now I'm not going to like read into it and see what all comes in it. We're just going to play it by ear, but I might refer back to that. So the first item I see is the symbol of Sow, and it is a symbol book that you can put in your Book of Shadows, or you can use it for ritual purposes. Then the next item, it says it's my artwork for Lemon Balm. So these are really nice to get. I want to frame them at some point. But that's what that one looks like. The glare from my camera and my lenses and everything. But it does give you like the animals, the magical beings, the history, the magical properties, which is really great if that's the herb that's in there, because then you get like a backstory with your herb. Try to set this in a way that the camera can see all this, and you guys can too. Alright, so we got a little purple pouchet, and this looks like it's going to be jewelry, which is always nice to get. Looks like it's amethyst. Yeah, it's a little amethyst bracelet, which is nice. These are really nice to get. I've gotten a few from them. I do like getting stuff like this because I don't get to wear them at work, but I do like to wear them. So that's nice. We're going to stick it back in its little bag though. We'll stick it right here. We will get the Lemon Balm pouchet up first. There we go. So let's see what else is in that box. Yes, the herb is Lemon Balm, which gives you a nice amount of lemon balm. I don't have a apothecary yet. I'd like to get one for all my herbs. I have collected quite a bit of herbs from them, so it would be nice to be able to like store them in something and use them later, whether it be in a bath, or some of them you can use in teas or cooking. Next item I will get out will be the oils, because I like getting oils as well. I've gotten quite a few. I don't don't know if you can see them, but they're almost sitting back there. I'd like to get a little shelf for them to set up. Eventually we will move and then I'll have a proper thing, but at the moment this is the setup I have. Ooh, I don't need that. So in this one it says Divine Moon, and it's a ritual body, and it sounds like there is some kind of quartz in there. I wonder if it's a quartz. Artwork. Ooh. Where is the oil? Bracelet. Oil. It is a lemon balm herb oil with bergamot, sandalwood, lemon, lavender. It's got a stone in it. Oh, yeah. Lumeranian quartz. So there's Lumeranian quartz in it. Oh, that smells so good. And there's herbs in it as well. You can see that the herbs came up. I don't know if you can see that on camera very well, but the herbs had come up in this as well. I'm going to leave a dot here just to smell it. It is a ritual body oil, so you can put them on yourself. Oh, yes, it does smell of lemon and lemon balm, so that's really nice. I like a lot of lemon, so there's that. And then you get incense sticks. The incense are Healing Exhale, and I like getting these. I mean, they're not a lot of sticks, but at the same time, it does give you nice incense to burn. Those smell really good. I do have several back here from previous boxes that I burn from time to time, and all of them, you can order those. Usually you can get them in their online store along with sometimes some of the stuff that you can get in these boxes. So I will check that out. And then I think this is the last item. There's another, and the candle, which it looks like the candle is a beeswax greenish colored candle, which is great because, I guess, they don't really smell. They're more of like a beeswax rolled candle. I've yet to burn one. I keep them all together at the moment. It's kind of hard for me to have a place to burn candles right now. But the last item looks like it's a necklace. So, let's see what kind of necklace it is. It is a healing coin charm pendant. So that's neat. I do like that they include chains instead of just the pendant. On the back it does say healing with serpents rising and flowers bloom for life's sake from the cosmic womb. Healing powers flow through me. And so you get that, and then the front of it has which is really pretty, nice done necklace, which I do like getting your jewelry. So that is the box. Now, the bigger box I've done earlier this month, you can check that out. It's called the Witch's Moon. It was a really nice box as well. They do have one other one that I don't get. It is called Witch's Bounty, and it does come with like a piece of jewelry made from the crystal and then some other random stuff. But I do like their boxes. Their boxes are fun to open. I enjoyed this one. It's $33, but I feel like between the necklace and the bracelet, the herb and the oil, like these oils are like $6 and $7, sometimes $15. Incense like this that you get at the stores are going to be closer to like $2.50. Because it's not many sticks, but I think they give you 8. But I know you can get them for like 10 for $1 or something like that. But they're not this quality, which is better quality. Any kind of candle that's obviously like not white in the center but straight through color is going to cost you a couple bucks, so that's kind of nice. So all in all, it is definitely worth the money. Plus, it gives you a little bit of something to add to your cabinets and your rituals. I don't actually do rituals a whole lot, but I do like getting the product to help do them. I do more of the divination, so I use most of my stuff to do meditations and in aura cleansings and stuff like that. So that is all I have today. But I did enjoy the box, so I hope you did too. Make sure you drop it and hit blah 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 blah, and that with that. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. You can always ring the bell for notifications. I'm on a really weird schedule right now, and I'm hoping as soon as I get everything transferred over and hooked up right, we'll be back into recording some gaming videos. I'm looking forward to a paranormal stuff pack coming for the Sims 4. Really looking forward to some more Stardew Valley. So yeah, that's about all I got. I should be getting some more boxes later in the month, so you know, for like the 2 boxy charms that I do, and then Ipsy box. I already got my Ipsy Glam. I don't remember. Oh yes, and the witch casket from the UK, which, if you live in the UK, is the same cost that box is for me. I pay a little bit more for my witch casket so that it will be shipped to me. But since it comes so late in the month, it's hard to do a battle between the witch roots and the witch casket. I'm thinking about maybe next month, once I get everything set up better, I'll hold off on the witch roots box until I get the witch's casket, and maybe we can do a battle of the witch boxes. Because they're similar price points. Can't think of anything else. So, Stem of Health is the theme, really, for the month. I'm cutting the cords from last year. So, make sure that you are leaving the past in the past. Starting a new venture this year. Get into new habits. Remember, if you end the year better off, in a better position than you did at the beginning of the year, it's a winning year. So, always aim a little bit. And then be happy for what you do get. Blessings to you all. And have a wonderful, fantastic day. Hey, I heart your face. Have a wonderful, fantastic face. I heart your day. Is that good? Nailed it.